Crap, I forgot what I was gonna say.
Yeah, who dat?
What's up, y'all? It's the weekend. Who Dat Pat right here. We get ready to go check out some floats here from Endymion Open House. If you never heard of the crew of Endymion, Endymion is one of the largest super crews here. So we're getting ready to go visit like all the floats, and they're gonna have a band playing. They're gonna have hot dogs, face painting. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to go check this out here. So I'd like you to jump along, hit that subscribe button. We'll take a look at the floats. All right, let's go walk around. We got a lot of, yeah, we can go inside here first and get to see all of it up close and personal. This is the one that's pertaining to Pontchartrain Beach here. This is the one that you see it in the Music Express. They got the Haunted Mansion on here. Laugh in the dark. And look at these right here. Look at just the lights. You like that one? Let's go see if we can find him. He's in 20B. Yeah, I tell you to wear it. Could have got it. They got all kind of stuff. They're giving away free monsters and free drinks. Miss Charlene, what is up, my dear? All right, they got the bathrooms out this. All the floats this way. They got more inside here. It's face paint for the kids. There's all kind of things going on. I don't know if he's in there. I think we may have to. I think we're gonna go in there. We're gonna go find him though. Jumpy things. He even got one of the Clydesdale out here. Such a beautiful horse. Oh my gosh. It's so huge though. Yeah, Clydesdale's out there. Yep. We're gonna go try to see if we can find one of my buddies here. Oh, sorry. Oh, they got sweet tea. I don't know if they got lemonade or they got canes. This is some good stuff. All right, we got us some free tea and some free beads and Club Endymion. Here he is. We're gonna go in there. Wow, they got quite a few people in here. You can do selfies right there.
This is a nice one, Patrick. This one.
All right, I can hear one of the high school bands out there performing. We're definitely going to go out there and go catch them in a minute. There's nothing like being in New Orleans and catching these floats for all the people, thousands and thousands of people screaming, and on top of it, all these riders destroying like crazy. And then you have all the bands behind it. This gets you into that excitement. Getting hot dogs. What's that? What you were saying?
We have to get a picture of the, I'm surprised it's not lit.
Oh no, it's not lit up. Normally this is lit up right here though, yeah. Yeah, normally all this is lit up. Wow, look at that one. If you're wondering what it's like on these cruises here, how the structure of them, look at the size of these wheels on there, because the amount of weight of steel that's all underneath it that support the weight. You imagine all with the riders on top of it and all the weight of their throws is just incredible amount of weight on there. And then they got the alligator one right here too. There's the haunted house. This is one of the longest floats they have in Carnival right here.
Remember that year everybody thought Endymion was over, cleared out, and it was just them trying to get this.
I do remember that year. Everybody cleared out and we were like right there. Yeah. This is the longest float. And it keeps going and going and going. There's USS Endymion right here. Look, somebody throws already on there.
That's 1, 2, it's 3.
Yeah, and then of course you have this one here. Wow, and it keeps going all the way, and of course the last one is the Zephyr. And it goes all the way to the front. Yeah, this is all one float here. I know this may be when this is one section, and it goes to the next section, and it keeps going all the way down. And yes, there's a tractor that pulls this entire float on the route here. This is incredible to see when it's coming down the street. I do tell you that. If you ever get down here in New Orleans, you gotta come see this up in person, close. It's a sight you'll never forget. Of course, they got those over there, that one also. You got your piece of king cake, love?
It's the good kind, love.
Huh? It's got all the Mardi Gras colors, huh? right, everyone, that is going to conclude that video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, I'll catch everybody on the next one.